Introducing the Laifen SE Lite high-speed hair dryer. Let's get started. First, tear off the sealing strips. Then open the box and take out the SE Lite. Finally, remove the protective coverings. The SE Lite combines a glossy finish with molded-in colors to create 5 gorgeous looks. The smooth nozzle uses a snap-on attachment method. Simply attach the nozzle to the air outlet. Toggle the switch to change airspeed modes. The innovative LED air temperature button displays the current temperature. Press the button to cycle through cold, warm, and hot air temperatures, and long press to activate temperature cycling mode. Next, let's look at the SE Lite's ultra-dense filter. Its jewel layer structure keeps dust and hair out. When the filter needs cleaning, rotate the guiding mark to the left and then pull it off. Rotate the filter right to reattach it. Before drying your hair, wipe off excess moisture. Then semi-dry your hair and gently straighten it using your hands. Dry moving towards the ends using the smooth nozzle. The powerful airflow and millions of negative ions quickly dry hair and leave it looking naturally shiny and smooth. This is the Laifen SE Lite. Shine bright with light